The hair I'm using for this wig, and I'm just going to cut it. If you've not watched my video on how to make a weft, the link will be in the description box. If you don't know how to make how to ventilate, the link will also be in the description box below. Okay, so this is the hair I'll be using. I'll be showing you guys the progress as we make it into a wig. Okay, so just stay tuned if you're interested in watching this. We'll be ventilating this hair. I'm not going to cut it into 2 equal parts. For this other one, this is the one I'll be turning into a weft, so I already cut it into 2 equal parts, like you can see. But for this one, it's not going to be 2 equal parts because we'll be ventilating it and we need this black part to show. So I'll just cut it from here, let's say somewhere around here. Okay, then we'll use this one for ventilating, so there will be enough black part to fold and ventilate. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm doing, what I said. Okay, you can see what I just did. I didn't cut everything because we don't need so much for the ventilating. Okay, so I actually took a little part from it and then I cut it. So this is the part we'll be using for ventilating. See, she's doing it. She's almost done. This is just a 2x4 no, sorry, a 2x6 lace closure. You see how fast she is? That's because she's using the all magical ventilating needle. So if you've not learned how to make your own, better go and watch that video. Okay, so hold on a second. So there's actually a pattern at the middle. So the reason why we use this black this nylon is just so she can easily see the knots, what's it called, the openings. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'll leave it to finish up later. Bye. Guys, this is a 2x6 frontal, as you can see, and I just placed it on the wig cap. I started by placing the middle right at the middle of the wig cap itself. I'm sorry, it's not really positioned at the middle of the mannequin, but just where at the middle of the wig cap itself. Then I also placed another pin towards the middle as well as at the back. Okay, just at the back right there. Then I started placing pins just to lay down the hair before I start stitching it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and stitch it in. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm doing this. So all you have to do is to just pass it through the net, then through this other net, that's the closure net, and then just pull. That's just all I'm doing here, nothing special. Just stitch it down. So even at this point I can choose to remove all the pins. So let me just do the rest off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I just took the measurement and it's exactly 6 inches. So next needs to just turn the wig cap over to the other side. This is to cut out the lace under the lace closure. So you just cut it out like so, and then we turn it back to the other side. As you can see, everything is visible now. Next is to just tie it and keep it out of the way while we start making our wig. So for this, you can see I'm just measuring 2 fingers apart, just in the U form. Make sure to extend the line to the other side. So now I'm going to be stitching it down. I just want to show you guys how you can do this using your hands rather than a sewing machine. So all you have to do, make sure you tie a knot at the end of your thread before you start this process. So just pass through the needle through the weave on itself and then through the net and tie a knot. You can make it double knot or even triple knot, you know, but I prefer just a knot. Sometimes I don't even tie knots at all, so it depends on what you want, what you're going for. Okay, so that is just it. So guys, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to make wefts with your hands. Okay, not the crochet. There's this other method I normally see online where they just tie it like a knot. I'll show you a professional handmade, how to make a professional handmade weft. Okay, I love professional things. I like my stuff looking clean and well done, so I'll be showing you guys how to do that. So this is me. I couldn't, you know, when you know how to sew down a wig, it would be difficult to do it without a sewing machine. So for a faster wig making, I prefer using my sewing machine, and thank God there's lights, so I'm using the industrial electrical sewing machine. Okay, so that's the last part, just to cover up the lace nets, and that is it. We are done. It didn't even take up to 15 minutes to complete, or even 10 minutes to complete the wig. But if you're using your hands, man, guys, you know it takes time. So now I'm just trying to comb out the hairs, remove all the tangles and all that stuff. Then we're going to start the work. The work is actually here. The setting on my flat iron is on the highest. Okay, it's on the highest. So I'm just stretching out the hair. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the remaining part of this video. Just watch to the end, and if you have any question, please ask. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have questions, ask, and that is it. Have fun, enjoy, bye.